Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. Master class session is in progress, and in today's session, we have been doing vocabulary building activity. I have given 4 words to the students. The students have been placed into 4 different groups. They have been given time for preparing these words. Each group has prepared 1 word, the meaning of the word, the synonyms, and the usage of the words. So I'll approach these groups one by one and will ask these guys what word they have learned today and how they can explain that word. So first of all, I'd like to ask Mr. Iman. Iman, which word you have learned today?
The word which we have prepared is difference, which meanings are respectful and submission to others.
Okay.
And synonyms are respect, reverence, and regard.
Okay.
And we can use it like he spoke with difference to his teachers.
Okay. Where do Imam Saf has told us about the word difference. Now we have another group here. Mr. Asif Saf. Mr. Asif Saf, you should tell us, explain the word which we have learned today.
Sir, I learned today the incessant word, the continued without pause. The synonym of word constant and non-stop. I create the sentence, the noise of one result was incessant.
Okay, good. So Asif Saf learned a new word today, that is incessant, and he explained it. He told us the meaning, the synonyms, and he also used it in his sentence. Here we have another group. So Zuhaib is there. Zuhaib, which word you learned today?
I learned today belligerent, hostile, and aggressive.
Okay.
Synonym combative, aggressive, confrontational. Usage has belligerent attitude, disrupt the whole class.
Good, good. Well then, so Zuhaib told us about the word belligerent. It was a new word for him, and we learned it. We have Noman here. So Mr. Noman, which word did you learn today, and can you explain it?
I learned today cumbersome word. Difficult, the meaning of cumbersome word. Difficult to handle due to size or complexity. The synonym of cumbersome, bulky, awkward, and complicated. What are the use and sentence? The process is too cumbersome to follow.
Good, well done. So Noman told us about a word cumbersome. So cumbersome is a word which Noman has learned today. He explained it. He also tell us about the synonyms of cumbersome, and he also made use of that. So the students, they like vocabulary building activity because they know the importance of words, the importance of vocabulary. No doubt that vocabulary play an important role, and strong communication, because vocabulary is important for clear and effective communication. So therefore the students show more interest in vocabulary building, and they love this activity. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, everyone.